We'll guide you through how to host on Namecheap. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and liking the video. First, go to Namecheap's website and log into your account. Once you're logged in, navigate to the dashboard located at the top right corner. From there, you'll see the hosting option in the left sidebar. Click on it to view the hosting plans available. Choose the one that suits your needs by clicking Add to Cart. After selecting your plan, you'll be prompted to choose a domain. You can either register a new domain or use an existing one. If you're registering a new domain, simply follow the on-screen prompts to search and select one. If you're using an existing domain, make sure it's pointed to Namecheap's name servers. Once you've sorted out your domain, proceed by clicking Confirm Order. You'll be taken to the checkout page where you can review your hosting plan and domain details. Enter any promo codes if you have them for discounts. Next, click Pay Now to complete your purchase. After the payment is processed, you'll receive a confirmation email with details about your hosting account. Now, to manage your hosting, go back to the dashboard and click on Manage next to your new hosting plan. This will take you to the C panel where you can start setting up your website. You can install WordPress or upload your website files using the File Manager. Remember to configure your email settings and set up databases if your website requires them. And that's it. You've successfully set up hosting on Namecheap. Don't forget to subscribe and comment if this helped you out.